Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for random variable. The continuous random variable x has a probability density function given by the situation below. So my suggestion is to express the situation in a real number line. So here we have the situation from 0 to 2, from 2 to 4. So the function will be x over 4 for 0 to 2, and then from 2 to 4 we have kx cubed. Other than that we have 0. Curly refers to a. Show that k is equal to 1 over 120. So as we all know, this is a continuous random variable, so the summation must be equal to 1. So integrate, start from 0 until 2. For the function x, we have 1 over 4, respect to x. Plus, integrate, we have kx cubed, respect to x, for the limit 2 to 4, which is equal to 1. Curly integrate the situation, we have the situation x squared, and then bracket, we have 1 over 2, which is 1 over 8, limit to 0. Plus, we have x to the power 4 over 4, where we have k over 4, bracket, 4, 2, equals to 1. So kindly substitute. We have 1 over 8, bracket, 4 minus 0. So we will have 1 over 2. Plus, we have the situation k over 4. If we substitute 4, we will have the situation 4 to the power 4, where we have 256, minus 2 to the power 4, where we have 16. So in this case, 256 minus 16, where we have 240, over 4, where we have 60k, equals to 1. Kindly rearrange the situation. 60k equals to 1 over 2, so k equals to 1 over 120. So we already shown the situation. So kindly substitute the value k into the real number line. Kindly refers to the question B. Evaluate the mean of x, where we have the ex, which is equals to integrate, where we have negative infinity until infinity, for the function x multiplied with the fx dx. So let's begin. Integrate from 0 until 2, where we have x squared over 4 respect to x, plus integrate from 2 until 4, where we have x to the power 4 over 120 dx. Kindly integrate the situation. So here we have the x to the power 3 over, we have 1 over 12, limit to 0. Continue, x to the power 5 over 5, where we have 600, limit for 2. Kindly substitute the situation, where we have 2 to the power 3, we have 8 minus with the 0, plus 1 over 600, if we substitute 4 to the power 5, and we will have 1024 minus 32, because of 2 to the power 5. Let's simplify the situation. We have 8 over 12, which is 2 over 3. Next, 1024 minus with the 32, so we will have 992 divided by 600, so we will have 124 over 75. Kindly simplify the situation, so we have the mean, or the ex, plus with 2 over 3, and our answer will be 58 over 25, or 2.32. So that is the mean, or the ex, for the situation. Next, the cumulative distribution function of x is denoted by the fx. Find and specify full fx. So find the CDF. Step number 1 refers to the range. T is less than 0, where we have the function integrate, start from negative infinity until t, for the function 0 dx. So where we have 0, so the ft is equals to 0. Second part, the domain is t is greater equals to 0, less than equals to 2. For the function, integrate negative infinity until 0, for the function 0 dx, plus integrate from 0 until t, for the function x over 4 respect to x. So as we all know, this part is the same as this part. So the answer will become 0, and then we have x squared over 8, bracket, for the limit t and 0. So we have t squared over 8 minus 0. So for this part, our ft is equals to t squared over 8. Part number 3 refers to the domain where we have t greater than 2 less than equals to 4. So integrate negative infinity until 0, function 0, dx, plus integrate from 0 until 2 for the function x over 4 dx, plus integrate from 2 until t for the function x to the power 3 over 120 dx. So refers to this part actually is equal to this part. So what we have to do is to substitute the value t now become 2. So rewrite the situation. We have the f2 plus x to the power 4 over 480, where we have the limit t and 2. So f2, we will have 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 plus with the situation 1 over 480 t to the power 4 minus, so 2 to the power of 4, where we have 16 over 480. So in this part, we will have negative 1 over 30. So finally, the ft for this part would be t to the power 4 over 480. So 1 over 2 minus with 1 over 30, where we will have positive 7 over 15. Next, for the final part, part number 4. Limit t is greater than 4. So we can write the situation f4. It represents the whole part for the part number 3. Plus, integrate, start from 4 until t for the function 0 dx. So if we substitute 4 into the part number 3, so we will obtain ft is equal to 1. So kindly write the CDF. So here we have the capital fx. So the function number 1 is 0, followed by the second function where we have x squared over 8. Then the third function we have x to the power 4 over 480 plus 7 over 15. Finally, we have 1. So we have the range or the domain where we have x is less than 0, then x is greater equals to 0, and then less than equals to 2. X is greater than 2, less than equals to 4, and then finally we have x greater than 4. So that is the CDF. Kindly refers to D. State the median. So before we state the median, first what we have to do is to find or testing. At first, capital F0, followed by capital F2. Next, capital F4. So we have the F0 kindly refers to the first or the second equation. So the answer is 0 for the probability. So means that there is no median. If we substitute 2, so we will have 1 over 2. So we notice that we have 0.5 in here. So the median is located into the second or the third function. So kindly substitute the situation. Fm is equals to 1 over 2. So m squared over 8 is equals to 1 over 2. So m squared is equals to 4. So m is equals to 4. Square root of 4, we have 2. M is equals to negative 2. So kindly refers to the domain in this part. We will have 0 until 2. So the median is located at this part. So median, we have x is equals to 2. Next, calculate the interquartile range. So as we all know, interquartile range, the formula is Q3 minus Q1. Now we are going to find the Q1. So where to find the Q1? So Q1 represent the F bracket. Q1 is equals to 0.25. So next, what we have to do is to substitute into the function Q1 squared over 8 is equals to 1 over 4. So Q1 squared is equals to 2. So Q1 is equals to square root of 2. Q1 is equals to negative square root of 2. So kindly refers to the situation. We notice that we have 0 until 2. So the Q1 actually is equals to square root of 2. Continue. Find the Q3. So Q3 is equals to 0.75. So as we all know, previously we have x over 8. If we substitute 2, we will have the answer 1 over 2, which is equals to 0.5. So in order to find the 0.75, we must make use of the third function. Q3 to the power 4 over 480 plus with 7 over 15 equals to, we have 3 over 4. I'll rewrite the situation. Q3 to the power 4 is equals to 3 over 4 minus 7 over 15 multiplied with 480. So Q3 to the power 4 is equals to 136. So for this part, the Q3 is equals to quadratic root of 136. So we will have the answer 3.415. So find the interquartile range. So the interquartile range is equals to 3.415 minus with the square root of 2. So if we reverse to the situation, we will have the value 2.00074. So the interquartile range, if we round up the situation, actually we have the value 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.